In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your DocuSign account fast in 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can permanently close your account with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official DocuSign website. Sign in using the email and password associated with your account. Make sure you're on the legitimate site and that your browser shows a secure connection before entering your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main DocuSign dashboard. From there, look to the top of the page and select Admin. This is the control center for everything related to billing and account management. It's where DocuSign keeps the tools you'll use to review your plan, manage your subscription, and, when you're ready, close your account. Inside the Admin panel, choose Plan and Billing. This section focuses specifically on your subscription details and account status. If you've been considering a change to your plan, this is where you'd see those options, but for closing the account, we're going to stay right here and continue down the page. Quick reminder, the link to the official DocuSign website is at the very top of the video description. If you prefer to follow along step by step, feel free to pause the video, use that link to open the site, and then resume when you're ready. Next, scroll to find the Close Account option and click it. This is the action that permanently deletes your DocuSign account. Take a moment to be sure this is what you want, because after closure you won't have access to your account, and your documents, templates and settings will no longer be available under this profile. DocuSign will guide you through on-screen prompts to confirm the closure. You may be asked to verify your identity or re-enter your password. This extra step is there to protect your account and ensure that only the rightful owner can authorize a permanent change like this. Follow the instructions carefully and confirm when you're ready. Once you confirm, DocuSign processes the request and your account is permanently closed. You'll be signed out automatically and you won't be able to sign back in with that account. If you ever need DocuSign again in the future, you can create a new account from the homepage. That's how to delete a DocuSign account using the fast tutorial for 2026. If this helped, feel free to check the description for the official website link at the top. Thanks for watching.